technology allows the user to control the length of the rollers. The SL track works with the computer body scan to fit to the shape of the back. The zero gravity position is the perfect position to enjoy a massage. Next generation of air massage technology. Shoulders, arms and hands, lumbar, and calf and foot area. Calf kneading and foot massage. Calf and foot rollers provide a smooth kneading style massage. Footrests can extend Two heating pads are placed in the lower back to loosen up the muscles. Bluetooth connection, wireless charger,